I hope you are very, very well. So today we are going to be comparing some numbers and we're going to be finding out which number is more. Which number is more? So as you can see in each of these sets, we're asking, is 67 or 99 more? Which one is the greatest? So we know that that symbol means the greatest or more. Let's write more here like that, okay? Because we're looking for the number which is the largest, the greatest, the biggest, or more. And they all stand for the same thing, which is this symbol here, which means greater. Okay, so if we look at these two numbers, let's start with the top one. We have number 67 and we have number 99. Now we need to work out which one is more. If we put T for tens and O for ones on top of each number, it will help us to identify which one is more, because we can look at the number in the tens column, and we can look at the number in the ones column, which is identified by an O on the top. Okay, let's have a look. So, is 67 or 99 more? Which number is bigger? We know that this is a two-digit number because it has two numbers in each digit, in each number. It has two digits in each number. So we can see that for 67, there is a 6 and a 7, and for 99, there are two 9s. Now, this one's quite easy to identify because we know that 9 and 9, both of the numbers, are higher or more than 67. So we know that 99 is the biggest number. 99 is more than 67. Let's move to the second one. Which number is bigger, 5 or 50? Well, with number 50, we can see that there are two digits. And with number 5, how many digits do we have here? We have one digit. So we already know that 50 is bigger or larger than 5 because 50 has two digits and 5 only has one. So we're going to circle 50 because we know that 50 is more. Let's move to the next one. Which one is larger, 66 or 6? Which number is larger? What do you think? Again, this is quite an easy one because we can identify it by the number of digits in each number. In 66, how many digits do we have? That's correct, we have 1, 2 digits. In number 6, how many digits do we have? Just the one digit. So we know that 66 is larger or bigger than 6 because 66 has more digits. So we're going to circle 66 because we know that 66 is more than 6. Absolutely fantastic. Let's move on to the next one. Which one is larger, number 12 or 21? Now be careful with this one because there are the same digits in each number. You can see that 21 has the digits 2 and a 1, and 12 has the digits 1 and a 2. So we have the same digits in each number. But 12, let's put our T for tens and O for ones, and T for tens and O or O for our ones. And that will help us to identify which one is larger because they've both got two digits. Here we go. Let's have a look at our tens first. We can see that for number 12, there are one group of tens. And for number 21, there are how many tens? There are two tens for 21. So which number do you think is larger? The one with 1 tens or the one with 2 groups of tens? You're correct. The number with 2 groups of tens is the biggest number because we know that 2 is larger or bigger than 1. Fantastic. There are loads of ways to help us identify which number is more or larger. Let's try another one. Now again, with this one, you can see that number 72 and number 27 have the same digits. Look, 2, 2, 7, 7. They've got the same digits. So we have to be very careful and write our tens and ones on top, just to help us a little bit if we're not too sure. So let's identify which one is the biggest, which one is larger, which one is more. With number 72, how many tens do we have? We have 7 tens. With number 27, how many tens do we have? We have 2 tens. Which number is larger, 7 or 2? Which number is bigger, 7 or 2? Have a think. We know that 7 is bigger than 2. So we know that number 72 is larger or bigger than 27 because it has more tens. So let's put a circle around number 72 because 72 is our biggest or largest number. Shall we move to the last one? I bet you you can work this out without me helping you. Stop the video and have a try. Which number do you think is larger? So let's have a look at how many digits we have for each number first. For number 12, there are 2 digits. For number 2, there's only 1 digit. So just by using that, we can identify which number is larger. I'm going to ask you a question. If we have number 2 by itself, is this 2 tens or 2 ones? What do you think? Is it 2 tens or 2 ones? This is 2 ones. It's 2 ones by itself. Let's write our tens and ones on top of 12 as well. T for tens and an O or O for ones. Which number do you think is the biggest? We only have 2 ones here, but for number 12 we have 1 10 and 2 ones. So number 12 must be bigger than number 2. Number 12 is greater than or more than number 2. Absolutely fantastic learning. Don't forget, at any point you can stop the video or go back if you're not quite sure. See if you can write some down yourself and work out which numbers are bigger, greater or more. Maybe you can give some to your parents to help them work out as well. Well done. I'll see you on the next one.